Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic often surrounded by myths and misinformation: weight loss. We will explore the science behind shedding pounds safely and effectively. Whether you want to lose a few pounds or embark on a significant weight loss journey, this video will provide evidence-based strategies to achieve your goals. Let's get started. Understanding weight loss, the basics. Before we dive into the strategies, it's essential to understand the basics of weight loss. Weight loss occurs when you burn more calories than you consume. This is known as a calorie deficit. Your body uses calories for energy, and when you consume fewer calories than you need, it starts to burn stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. Calories and energy balance. 1. Caloric intake, the calories you consume through food and beverages. 2. Caloric expenditure, the calories your body uses for essential functions, like breathing and digestion, physical activity, and other processes. To lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit by reducing your caloric intake, increasing your physical activity, or combining both. Metabolism and weight loss. Your metabolism plays a crucial role in weight loss. It's the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. Even at rest, your body needs energy for basic functions like breathing, circulating blood, and cell repair. This is known as your basal metabolic rate, BMR. Factors that influence your BMR include: 1. Age, metabolism slows down as you age. 2. Muscle mass, muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even at rest. 3. Body size, larger bodies burn more calories. 4. Genetics, metabolism can be influenced by genetic factors. Creating a calorie deficit. 1. Dietary changes, focus on consuming nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your diet. Avoid high-calorie, low-nutrient foods like sugary drinks, fast food, and processed snacks. 2. Physical activity, regular exercise helps you burn calories and build muscle, which can boost your metabolism. Aim for cardio exercises, like walking, running, or cycling, and strength training, like lifting weights or bodyweight exercises. Understanding macronutrients. Macronutrients are your body's nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each plays a unique role in your body and can affect your weight loss journey. 1. Carbohydrates, your body's primary source of energy. Choose complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which provide sustained energy and keep you full longer. 2. Proteins, essential for building and repairing tissues, including muscles. Protein-rich foods like lean meats, beans, and legumes can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. 3. Fats, necessary for hormone production and nutrient absorption. Focus on healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats. The role of fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. It helps regulate the body's use of sugars, helping to keep hunger and blood sugar in check. Foods high in fiber include: 1. Fruits and vegetables, apples, berries, carrots, and broccoli. 2. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, and whole wheat products. 3. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas. High-fiber foods can help you feel fuller for longer, which can aid in weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake. Hydration and weight loss. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and can aid in weight loss. Drinking water can help. 1. Suppress appetite, sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger. Drinking water before meals can help you eat less. 2. Boost metabolism. Some studies suggest that drinking water can temporarily boost your metabolism. 3. Improve exercise performance. Staying hydrated helps maintain energy levels and muscle function during exercise. The importance of sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in weight management. Lack of sleep can 1. Increase appetite. Poor sleep affects hormones that regulate hunger, ghrelin and leptin, making you hungrier. 2. Reduce willpower. When you're tired, you're more likely to crave unhealthy foods and have less motivation to exercise. 3. Slow metabolism. Chronic sleep deprivation can negatively affect your metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support your weight loss efforts. Stress management. Chronic stress can hinder weight loss by 1. Increasing appetite. Stress can lead to emotional eating and cravings for high-calorie foods. 2. Affecting hormones. Stress increases cortisol levels, which can promote fat storage, especially around the abdomen. 3. Reducing motivation. Stress can sap your energy and motivation to exercise. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Tracking your progress. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and identify areas for improvement. Here are some methods. 1. Food diary. Keep a record of what you eat and drink to identify patterns and areas for improvement. 2. Exercise log. Track your workouts, including the type of exercise, duration, and intensity. 3. Measurements. Monitor changes in your weight, body measurements, and how your clothes fit. 4. Photos. Take progress photos to track your transformation over time. Avoiding common pitfalls. 1. Crash diets. Extreme diets that severely restrict calories can lead to quick weight loss but are often unsustainable and can cause muscle loss and nutrient deficiencies. 2. Skipping meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later and negatively impact your metabolism. 3. Over-reliance on supplements. Supplements can aid in weight loss but are not a substitute for a healthy diet and exercise. 4. Inconsistent efforts. Consistency is key. Avoid the all-or-nothing mentality and aim for steady progress. Building healthy habits. Successful weight loss is about creating sustainable lifestyle changes. Here are some tips for building healthy habits. 1. Set realistic goals. Aim for a gradual weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds weekly. Rapid weight loss can be unhealthy and difficult to maintain. 2. Find enjoyable activities. Choose physical activities you enjoy, making it easier to stick to a regular exercise routine. 3. Plan ahead. Plan your meals and workouts to help you stay on track. 4. Seek support. Having a support system, whether it's friends, family, or a weight loss group, can provide motivation and accountability. Popular diet plans. What science says. Numerous diet plans exist, but not all are backed by science. Let's explore a few popular diets and what research says about their effectiveness for weight loss. 1. Mediterranean diet. This diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Studies have shown it can promote weight loss and improve heart health. 2. Low-carb diets. Diets like the Atkins or ketogenic diet focus on reducing carbohydrate intake. Research suggests they can be effective for weight loss, particularly in the short term, but long-term sustainability and health impacts vary. 3. Intermittent fasting. This eating pattern involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Studies indicate it can aid in weight loss and improve metabolic health. However, ensuring you're still getting adequate nutrients during eating periods is essential. 4. Plant-based diets. Diets that emphasize plant foods like fruits, vegetables, and legumes can be effective for weight loss and overall health. They are typically lower in calories and higher in fiber. The role of behavior and mindset. Your mindset and behavior play a significant role in weight loss. Here are some strategies to develop a healthy relationship with food and your body. 1. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly and savor your food to avoid overeating. 2. Positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Focus on your progress and celebrate small victories. 3. Avoiding perfectionism. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey. Instead of giving up, learn from them and move forward. Consulting professionals. If you're struggling with weight loss, consider seeking help from professionals. 1. Registered dietitian. A dietitian can provide personalized nutrition advice and help you create a sustainable eating plan. 2. Personal trainer. A trainer can design a workout program tailored to your fitness level and goals. 3. Doctor or healthcare provider. If you have underlying health conditions or are significantly overweight, consulting a healthcare provider is essential before starting a weight loss program. Debunking common weight loss myths. Many myths about weight loss can lead to confusion. Let's debunk some of the most common ones. 1. Myth: carbs are the enemy. Carbohydrates are not inherently bad. It's the type and quantity that matter. Focus on complex carbs and moderate your intake. 2. Myth: you have to starve to lose weight. Extreme calorie restriction is not sustainable and can harm your health. Aim for a moderate calorie deficit. 3. Myth: supplements can replace healthy habits. No supplement can replace the benefits of a balanced diet and regular exercise. 4. Myth: eating late at night causes weight gain. It's not about when you eat, but how many calories you consume and burn throughout the day. Eating late can lead to weight gain by consuming excess calories. 5. Myth: fat-free foods are healthier. Many fat-free foods are loaded with sugar and other additives to improve taste, which can lead to weight gain. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods instead. 6. Myth: exercise alone is enough for weight loss. While exercise is crucial for overall health and helps with weight loss, diet plays a more significant role in creating a calorie deficit. A combination of both is most effective. Practical tips for sustainable weight loss. 1. Plan your meals. Meal planning helps you make healthier choices and avoid impulsive eating. Prepare balanced meals that include protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates. 2. Control portions. Be mindful of portion sizes. Using smaller plates, measuring your food, and avoiding second helpings can help prevent overeating. 3. Cook at home. Cooking at home allows you to control ingredients and portion sizes, making it easier to eat healthily. Experiment with new recipes and cooking techniques to keep meals interesting. 4. Eat a balanced breakfast. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast can help regulate your appetite and provide energy. Include protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you full longer. 5. Snack smartly. Choose healthy snacks like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and yogurt to keep your energy levels stable and avoid overeating at meals. 6. Stay active throughout the day. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Take the stairs, walk or bike instead of driving, and find opportunities to stand or stretch during long periods of sitting. 7. Stay accountable. Share your goals with a friend or family member, join a support group, or use apps to track your progress and stay motivated. 8. Practice patience. Sustainable weight loss takes time. Focus on making long-term changes rather than seeking quick fixes. Celebrate small victories and keep moving forward. Conclusion. Weight loss is a journey that involves understanding the science behind it, making sustainable lifestyle changes, and staying consistent. By focusing on creating a calorie deficit through a balanced diet and regular exercise, you can achieve your weight loss goals safely and effectively. Remember, it's not just about losing weight but also about improving your overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health and fitness tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Share your weight loss journey and any questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your weight loss journey.